Welcome to Hometree, home of the stress-free boiler installation. What ideal temperature should rooms be in my house? If you're unsure about the best temperature for rooms in your home, Hometree is here to help. Perhaps you've been told that it's cheaper to have your heating on all the time, or you were just looking to find the best way to heat your home efficiently without wasting money. Maybe you were looking for the best temperature to set your home to ensure you get a good night's sleep, or the best temperature for a child, or a sleeping baby to be comfortable. You could be looking to be more environmentally friendly and waste less energy. Either way, you have come to the right place, as Hometree Heating Experts are on hand. How warm should my house be? The most efficient temperature for homes, even during the winter, is a steady 18 degrees or 19 degrees Celsius. Simply reducing your thermostat or smart thermostat settings by as little as 1 degree Celsius could save you money in the long run. Room temperature myth busting. Turning your thermostats all the way up will not heat your home better or faster, and this method, along with leaving your heating on all day, will waste a lot of energy, as well as increasing the amount you spend on your energy bills. Leaving your heating on low all day is also a waste of energy and money. Hometree gas-safe engineers know that having the right heating controls will allow you to keep your home at a comfortable temperature without wasting fuel or heat. They recommend that you get either a programmable or smart thermostat installed in your home so that you can set regular heating schedules. In your central heating system, your controls should ideally include a boiler thermostat, a timer or programmer, a room thermostat, and thermostatic radiator valves, or TRVs. Smart thermostats allow you to manage your heating controls remotely from your computer, tablet, or smartphone, which is why Hometree provides customers with a free smart thermostat with every boiler installation. Smart thermostats have sophisticated features like learning your heating routine and using your location to automatically turn your heating on or off when you leave or arrive near your home. Smart thermostats help keep your home at an ambient temperature, which is the best way to keep your home warm without wasting money. These thermostats set different temperatures at different times in the day and at night. Unlike a standard thermostat, which sets one temperature and a time for the boiler to be on or off. For instance, a feature of a smart thermostat is that it will keep your home at a median temperature between 2 points, so the boiler is not working really hard to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. You only need to use a little bit of gas to get from 14 degrees to 18 degrees Celsius. Room temperature myth busting. It uses more gas to heat your home up from 2 degrees to 18 degrees Celsius than it does to keep the home at 14 degrees overnight and kick it up to 18 degrees Celsius when you wake up. With smart heating control systems, you can make changes remotely if your plans change. For example, if you find yourself working late, or decide on a spontaneous weekend away. You can make sure that your hot water and heating aren't wasting your money. Boiler Plus was a change to the building regulations in April 2018, which means that all newly installed combination boilers must have smart controls featuring automation and optimization functions. This is why Hometree recommends boilers that are A-rated for efficiency and provides a free smart thermostat with every installation. At Hometree, we know that a warm home is too important for a broken boiler to get in the way. For your stress-free boiler installation, visit hometree.co.uk.